Guys, it is March 6, 2023. This one I got a call from a guy that I worked for in the past. He used to live in Dartmouth, but now he lives in New Bedford. I guess he's gone to the old divorce, from what he was saying. I was like surprised. But anyway, so he's in another tenement, I guess, and got a problem with his heater over there. So I'm gonna go over there and see what the hell's going on. Just never know with this marriage stuff. Think everybody's getting along great, and all of a sudden, wham! Not good. At least he's got the dog. At least he got the dog, so. Yeah, at least you got the dog, Miss Molly. Oh yeah, that's the best part of the dog. Huh? Miss Molly? Yeah. Yeah. I think it's like a bulldog or something. One of those dogs like that.
It did.
Go ahead, turn up the heat.
It's all the way up.
Is it? It is?
And that's the switch. The switch is on too for it right there.
So if the power venter don't run outside, nothing's gonna run. Seems a little odd. Did you check for power?
Yeah, the brake is good. Didn't trip anything. And like I said, it sounded like it wanted to kick on, but then would shut right back off. Like there was. Like
Was the power venter running?
I would assume so. I don't know. I mean, it wasn't running full time. No.
Because right, you know. So you show the thermostat's up.
Yeah. Yeah, totally.
Look at this thing.
Wow. The thermostat isn't clicking.
Well, maybe that's our problem. What a flippin' joke, guy. Upstairs? Oh, you got one down here, too.
Right, that's the one port right there.
This is the one?
Yeah.
What about the one upstairs?
That runs the heat upstairs.
Alright, so that should be up.
There's an HVAC system up in the attic.
Flippin' joke.
Yeah, I think this was all put in second hand. Like someone came in and did this. I mean, some of the wiring in this house is pretty fucking sketchy.
Yeah. To say the least, huh?
I'm finding new things here.
Let's see if we can even open this thing up. This thing. It's not calling for heat. Don't seem like it's calling. Yeah, cause see, it's not calling for heat. This is gonna open, and then this. The power venter should run. Power venter's not running.
What is it, the power venter?
Yeah, see it out there? It's rolling out right here.
Okay, so it wasn't even doing that before.
No, I'm just pulling it manually. So it's probably the power venter's a problem
so it's
outside.
that motor right
Outside, we gotta check outside.
Okay.
Probably a problem. I bet you. I could check it from here, I guess, if we got power going out there, but what a fucking mess. This is tight, 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 tight. Unbelievable. Yeah, I bet it's your power venter motor. Because that's gotta run. How hot is it to get to outside? I can check it right here. We can check it right here and see if there's any power going out there.
Yeah, it's just the vent itself. There's nothing else out there.
So what did you do, sell the house and bought this one?
Well, the plan was she wanted to get out of here, so she could work remotely. So the plan was to sell the house, and she was going to give me some money to put down on something up here so we could have a place here and there. Well, she went down there and she bought the house and said, "Oh, I have no more money to give you." Hey, get over here. Munch.
Yeah, he's not gonna bite me, is he?
No, Munch. Come on. Get out of there.
Holy shit, guy.
Get up there. Come on.
Fucking dog could have killed me.
No, he's friendly.
No.
I just don't want him like at your feet.
What is that, a bulldog or a Rottweiler? Pit bull. Holy shit. Fucking dog's biting at my ass here. Should have power. Going out 1 and 2, I think. 1 and 2 should have power.
Yeah, so then it's like.
Yeah, we got 1 and 2's got the power going outside, but we got nothing. We got nothing working on the power venter, right? So that's our problem, guy. Pretty sure 1 and. Is it 1 and 2 or 1 and 3?
So there's power going through it, it's not kicking on.
Well, let's look. I think it's 1 and 3. I got power 1 and 2. I think 1 and 3 goes to the blower outside. That's the problem, because I knew it. Yeah, we got power 1 and 3, 2 and 3, which is the, and then 1 and 2. Yeah.
3 isn't.
So power's coming in at 1 and 2, and then it goes out from 2 and 3 to the blower.
Okay.
And the other thing it could be is this relay, but I don't think so.
Hi.
All right, we're gonna check outside. All right, I'll get my ladder. What? How? You got a 6-footer?
Go through the side of it, yeah. No, I just got a big one.
Yeah, that's kind of big.
And I just got little step stools there.
We got 120 to this thing, and she's smoked. We should have another one in the truck. You got it off? I had 120 come in here, so I checked it. I'm gonna make sure it's off before I pull it apart. I should have a. Yeah, I got power venters here. Up in here. Power venter stuff here. I got a couple of different styles. This is the one I need right here. I know this is the one I need. That other one back there's a square plate. I'm gonna have to get another one for truck stock. Cause that's a popular item. I need that. And that one there, that's an old for a 3. That's a square plate one. That's a 4. They make a 5. I got some other stuff here. That's what we need right there. Thing's not cheap. He's gonna turn it on, make sure it runs before I seal it up, but the other one was in tough shape. It should fire right up. This one spins, but it's just not working. There it goes. Alright, she fired up. Why don't we shut it off? I'll seal it, and then we'll be good to go, okay? He's gonna shut it off. I'm gonna seal it up. Sealing. We'll be good. You got it turned up?
Yeah, this takes a little while for this.
Yeah, because it's got to go through its cycle. Well, see, that came on first.
Yeah.
Then this will open. And then it should fire. There it goes. So that was our problem.
Alright. Well, you call the professionals.
Well, at least I had the pot. Oh my must be a nasty ass job, huh?
Yeah, it's got some bad areas, some bad environments.
You see all kinds of shit floating around in there, no?
Oh yeah. Be surprised. So that's an old unit, you think?
Yeah, as long as it's working, leave it alone.
Right.
It's a regular. I don't like the idea of the control in the back there, but it's still working. We'll leave it alone. It's gonna start heating up. That's all we care about. PEX.
20 degrees.
How cold is it in the house? Must be pretty bad, huh?